record this. So this is most probably the second part for our probability chapter. I told you guys last time to do example number 5 and come for me. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm revising. Okay, a vet surveys 100 of her clients, and she finds that 25 own dogs, 53 own cats. Whenever they say 25 own dogs, they did not say own dogs only. They said own dogs. Money, তোমার dogs এর ভিতরে. So you have dogs and cats and fish. So you have dogs, you have cats, and you have fish. Okay, so 25 own dogs means, look at this over here. That means your whole circle, inside this circle of dog, there has to be a number not more or less than 25. It has to be exactly 25. Fine. The first thing you always find is the common one, like 3. Who has all 3? So they said 7 own dogs, cats, and tropical fish. So 7. Always find this one first. All common, always find that first. Okay, now a client is chosen at random. Okay, now draw a Venn diagram. So I'm trying to Venn diagram. Okay, next you find what are both commons. Now we found the 3 commons. Now let's find the both the commons. Okay, so both the commons are what do I have? Dog and fish. Do I have dog and fish? Dog and yes, 11. I have dog and fish, 11. So let me write 11 over here. Okay, so can I have dog and cat as well? Do I have dog and cats? Yes, 15 of them have dogs and cats. So write this over here. Now, but the problem, actually, I made a mistake. When they say 11 has dog and fish, it means the whole dog and fish is supposed to be 11. But already the 7 is there. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. Okay, and 15 has dog and cats. Nah? So the whole dog and cat circle is supposed to be 15. 7 I already have. I have to just put 8 over here. Okay, then let's see cats and fish. How many of them have cats and fish? Yeah, 10 of them. So now the whole cat and fish is supposed to be 10. I already have 7 here. So there is supposed to be 3. Now let's see how many dogs were there. 25 dogs. Out of 25 dogs, 7, 8, 15, 19 dogs is done. So how many dogs are left? 6 dogs are left, because 19 plus 6 is 25. So total inside dog is 25, because they said they own 25 dogs. Okay, Nadir, Butsata. Said.
Yes.
What's up?
Yes.
Okay, now. Then they said, let's see how many cats are there. How many cats? 53 own cats. So you have 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 cats are there. Out of 53, 18 cats are gone. We have 35. We have 35. Now after this, you have 10, 14. How many fishes are there total? 40. So you have 14 out of 14. 40 are fish. So 40 minus 14. How many are there? 26 left. So 26. Did this say us to draw the Venn diagram for this probability? Okay, they didn't tell us to draw the diagram of probability, because otherwise, okay, now there were 100. Otherwise, we would have written everything divided by 100 over here. Okay, now what is the total? Hey, not bad. How much is it? Send me the link of this. I don't know. Check it. Send me the link in WhatsApp. Okay. What is the shipping price? Check that. Okay. How many dogs? How many pets are there? 100 pets are there. You total all of this. All 3 circles. What is the total you got? 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6. Okay, 6 plus 8. Okay, I think this is 25. Here you have 25. Here you have 40. And there you have 53. Here you have 40. And there you have 53 total. So if you total them, how much you're getting? 25 plus 40 plus 53. How much is it? 118. But how can it be all? Oh, no. Sorry, I made a mistake. This should not be there. This is mistake. This is mistake. This is mistake. We will total what is inside are there. How many are there total? 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7. 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 26 plus 35. 89. Out of 100, 89 pets are there. Baki 11 does not have any pet at all. Okay, done. So this is my Venn diagram. Now it was the Venn diagram should include probability, should not include probability, because they just said draw a Venn diagram to represent this information. Oh, a client is chosen at random, so you have to do everything divided by this thing over here, 100 over here. Everything divided by 100 you guys need to do. Check. Okay. Now they do own dogs only, so the probability of getting a person who will own dog only is 6 by 100. Does not own a tropical fish. So how many tropical fish do I have? 26 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4. 26 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4. How much is it? 40. So out of 100, 40 people does not have tropical fish. Sorry, 60 people does not have. So 60 divided by 100 probability. Does not own dogs, cats or tropical fish. 11. 11 divided by 100. Shoaib Butse. Nadir, Saeed, Shoaib Butse ki na bolo. Nadir, Saeed, tumra Butsa?
Yes.
Okay. Did you send? Okay, maybe. Okay, fine. Now, S1. Let's go to the next one. I gave you guys some homework. Any doubt in those homeworks which I gave you all? Said, I don't know whether Nader did it or not. Said, do you have any doubt in those homework?
No, bro. Not as such. No.
Okay, then fine. Let's continue. Okay, now we are going to learn this formula. We're going to learn this formula. This formula you guys are supposed to by heart. Okay, is that P A union B is equal to write at learn it. P A union B, probability of A union B, okay, is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. If you want, you can interchange them also. You can write it like this as well. Probability of A intersection B is a probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A union B. You can interchange. This is one of the formula you are supposed to know. Shwagi Butseta. Bro, this has $41 of shipping.
I said no check. I just get the link.
It's okay.
Not for my.
Shoaib Utsa, Saeed, Nadir.
Yeah, understood, bro.
Okay, Bakira Shoaib Utsa.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's go to the next concept. You guys should know this formula as well. There is another formula you guys should know. P A complement is equal to 1 minus probability of A, or PB complement is equal to 1 minus probability of B. You guys should know this. Complement gulo kibabe find kore. Last class I showed you guys how to shade. আমি ওটা তোমাদেরকে দেখাইছি how to shade. ঠিক আছে? Now, here all the values has been given to you. Here all the values are given to you. You can do is that either you can start using the formula or you can draw a Venn diagram. I would say drawing a Venn diagram is a lot easier, to be honest. Okay, so now A is given to me, PB is given to me, should do A union B this way. Let me find A intersection B and draw a Venn diagram. That would be better. I said you again and again, drawing a Venn diagram is better. I can shade and get the answer very easily. So,
Bro, show the other two formulas.
okay, giving there. Wait, other two formulas. This one. I have recording going on. Understood? A complement is 1 minus of probability of A. Probability of A complement is equal to probability of 1 minus probability of A. You should know this.
All right.
Okay, I'll pause the recording till you say A. Okay, so let's continue. Now, you know, this was A and this is B. This is A and this is B. A koto 0.6. Just give it, bring the exact money and give me next time. Okay. A koto 0.6. But what is the common? We don't know how much is the common here. Always find the common first. So which formula can you use? A union B, that is 0.9, is equal to PA 0.6 plus PB 0.7 minus PA union B. Sorry, PA intersection B. Okay? Now put this in the calculator. 0.6 plus 0.7 minus 0.9. Okay? 0.6 plus 0.7 minus 0.9. কত হবে? It will be 0.4. So your PA intersection B is equal to 0.4. So this is 0.4. Okay? Then first is over because they told us to find A intersection B, A part. Then PA is 0.6. So this is going to be 0.2. PB is 0.7. So this is going to be 0.3 because whole PB is 0.7. This part only B is 0.3. Achha, 6, 7, 8, 9. So বাইরে হবে 0.1. সবাই কি বুঝছে এটা? সবাই কি বুঝছে? নাদের? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I'll pause the recording. Okay. Now let's do the next one. You have 0.1 over here. You have 0.6, 0.7, and 0.9. You have 0.1 outside. Fine. Now let's do the B part. B part, they said A complement. Everything outside A. So what is outside the circle A? 0.3 and 0.1. So answer is 0.4 for B part. Very easy once you draw the Venn diagram. Let's do the C part. C part hoche A complement union B. Now you should rough shade. Just rough shade and see what should be the answer. There is another way also you can do this. How? By using formula. But I prefer shading. But if you guys want to use the formula, you are more than welcome to use the formula. Okay, but I would do it this way. A and B is there. So A and B, right? A complement money to me A chara sob kichu mark karo in a very fast manner. Last time I showed you guys in a very slow manner. Then union B. So only B. Okay. So you have to take everything except 0.2. You can see that because union means wherever the lines are there. So wherever lines except for 0.2 part, everywhere the lines are there. So this is going to be 0.8. C is 0.8. Let us check whether C is 0.8 or not. Yes, it is 0.8. Now let's go to the D part. D part, they said intersection. Okay. Intersection. Same like before, just like this, but intersection. Intersection যেখানে দুটো line cross হয়েছে. I can see 0.3 is the only area where both of them got crossed. So it will answer হবে 0.3. Is this clear with everyone? Guys, বুঝছো?
Yes.
Say this thing, Saeed and everyone else, বুঝছো?
Yes.
Okay, now let's go to the next sum. Let's check an exercise this way. I'm not going to do this right now. Now let us do conditional probability. Now, how many of you here knows what is a conditional probability? Did we do this in our O levels regarding conditional probability? Nader, do you know what is conditional probability, by the way?
Maybe.
Okay. Conditional probability is that your probability depends on a several condition. Like for example, whether some concert is going to happen, given that they always try, sometimes they try to use the word given that. Okay, mani eta hole ota hobe. If this happens, the another thing is going to happen. So if this happens, it's a condition. It's like if you get good marks in your exam, you will get a mobile. So what is the probability of getting a mobile now? For that, you need to fulfill the first condition. What is it? Get a good grades. So same thing over here as well. So this is the formula I use for conditional probability. Okay. আমি এটাকে তোমাদেরকে এক্সপ্লেন করাই কিভাবে করে। Paste So this is all about given that. কি লিখছে ওরা? Given that A takes place, what is the probability that B will also take place? Is equal to B, probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. Remember, এখানে যে নাম্বারটা থাকে নিচে সেম নাম্বার থাকতে হবে। বুঝছো? এটাকে বলা হয় conditional probability. Given that this happens, what is the probability of something else happening? Okay. বলো।
Bro, what is that dash in between?
that dash in between dash এর পরে যে জিনিসটা আছে ওটাকে বলা হয় given that probability of given that A is taking place, what is the probability B will take place? বুঝছো? So এই ফর্মুলাটা তোমাদের জানতে হবে। Probability of B dash A is equal to probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. Okay, now okay, chalo. Let's go to the next concept. Okay, let's see what is this probability. Two fair spinners each have 4 faces, 1 to 4. The two spinners are thrown together and the sum of their numbers. We did this. Given that at least one spinner lands on 3. We already know how to make this table, right? We already know how to make this table because you have to sum all the values from 1 to 4. I think I already told this about this in detail last time to you guys. You have two spinners, 1 to 4. You roll them or you spin them. Whichever number comes in both of them, you add them. So this is a table you guys are supposed to make. What they wrote, given that at least one of the spinners should be 3. So they said one of the spinners should be 3. Given that, what is the probability that the sum will be exactly 5? Now we have to check 3 মধ্যে 5 কোথায় আসতেছে? 3 মধ্যে 5 এখানে আসতেছে আর একটা স্পিনার 3 হলে 5 এখানে আসতেছে। So there are two chances out of 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 16. Two chances, 2 by 16 money 1 by 8. 1 by 8 probability that provided one of them should landing on 3. So that's why I'm checking both 3 of the spinner. So how many such 5s do I have? Only 2 5s do I have. What's up? সবাই সাইদ নাদের বুঝছো?
Yes, bro.
ও বাকিরা সবাই এত লেট জয়েন করছো তোমরা। Yeah, be late all that. Okay now. So এটাকে বলা হয় conditional probability. So এখানে লিখছে
Bro,
method
বুঝি নেই।
using the shrunken sample spin lands on 3 2 by 7.
Bro,
Yeah, wait. They got 2 by 7.
ওই বুঝি নাই।
Okay. They said probability it lands on given that it lands on 3 মানে ওই দুটোটা স্পিনার কে একটা 3 তে ল্যান্ড করতেই হবে। ওকে, দুটোটা স্পিনার থেকে একটা স্পিনার তো ল্যান্ড 3 তে ল্যান্ড করতেই হবে and the sum of both of them should be 5. Sum, you are adding both of their numbers. So such numbers are these. See, you are getting 3. Okay, 3 মধ্যে তুমি কি পাচ্ছ? 3 মধ্যে তুমি এটা পাচ্ছ, আর এই 3 মধ্যে এটা। Okay, so now what is the probability? They're saying given that okay it lands on 3, what is the probability that you get a 5? So it means probability of 5 common 3 divided by probability of 3. Okay, মানে probability of landing on 3 basically. Okay, I think এটা একটু কমপ্লেক্স হয়ে যাচ্ছে তোমাদের জন্য। Let me go to the other ones. এটা আমি করাবো না, আমরা এক্সাম্পল নাম্বার 8 করাচ্ছি এখন তোমাকে। এটা করাচ্ছি না, এটা কনফিউজ করে ফেলবে তোমরা আমি তোমাদেরকে। So let me do this example 8. Okay, I think you guys can do this on your own. I told you guys always draw the Venn diagram. তোমাকে PC দিছে, তোমাকে PD দিছে, তোমরা P intersection D intersection C ফাইন্ড করো। কিভাবে? They gave you the slash. So কিভাবে? P C slash D is equal to probability of C intersection D divided by probability of D. C/D কত 0.3, C intersection D কত জানি না, ওকে, PD কত 0.6, so 0.3 into 0.6 multiply করো, 0.3 into 0.6 multiply করো, answer will be 0.18. So probability of C intersection D is equal to 0.18. সবাই কি বুঝছো? Okay, so now you can draw a Venn diagram if you want to. How? With C and D. কিভাবে? This is C and this is D. C and D. Intersection কত 0.18. Always find intersection first. Then PC কত 0.2. So this is 0.02 if I'm not wrong. It is 0.6. So 0.18 minus 0.6. কত? 0.42. This is coming 0.42. The total probability is always 1. Remember this. The total probability is always 1. So 0.02 plus 0.18 plus 0.42. Okay, 1 minus the answer. কত পাচ্ছ? 0.38. 0.38 তোমার বাইরে হবে। সবাই বুঝছো কিনা বলো? এই Venn diagramটা আমি কিভাবে ড্র করছি? কন্ডিশনাল প্রবাবিলিটি ইউজ করে প্রথমে C intersection D ফাইন্ড করছি। Now, everyone understood how to use this conditional probability? Online, everyone understood how to use conditional probability?
Yes.
কে কে আছে? Mansha, then Abdullah, Saima, বুঝছো?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Actually, let's see whether they did. Yes, they did good. Venn diagram. Now বাকিগুলো তোমরা সবাই নিজে নিজে করা শুরু করো। কিভাবে? For example, A part they said probability of D/C মানে কি? Probability of D intersection C divided by probability of C. এখানে যে নাম্বারটা থাকে লাস্টে ওটাই নিচে আসে সব সময়। So D/C লাগবে, D intersection C 0.18 divided by PC. What is PC? PC is 0.2. 0.18 divided by 0.2 করো। 0.18 divided by 0.2 কত? 0.9. Clear? চলো then এটা বলছে C complement intersection D complement. চলো এটার জন্য তোমাদেরকে বলছি রাফ ডায়াগ্রাম ড্র করবে সব সময় ডায়াগ্রামে। C and D C complement বলছে মানে everything except C তোমরা মার্ক করবে, সির ভিতরে যাবে না, D মার্ক করবে, because C intersection তারপর D complement মানে D ছাড়া সবকিছু মার্ক করবে, সির ভিতরে মার্ক করবে। you can see এরা intersection বলছে, intersection হচ্ছে যেখানে দুটো লাইন ক্রস হচ্ছে। You can see outside C and D both the lines are getting crossed, so therefore your B is 0.38 because it is outside C and D. Clear everyone? C complement intersection D complement as well. Yeah, hello, what's up? Online সবাই বুঝছো কিনা বলো?
Yes.
Okay, চলো। Okay, now then they said C complement intersection D. I'm going to draw another diagram now. C complement intersection D. So there is a reason I taught you guys the shadings and all everything for these kind of parts only. C complement intersection D. This is C and this is D. C complement means C সাথে everything outside C complement. Then D. কিন্তু intersection যেখানে দুটো লাইন ক্রস হইছে, this is the place for final shading. So how much is it? 0.42. So C part is 0.42. Clear everyone? সবাই বুঝছো?
Yes, yes.
Okay, then let's see now. Let's go to the next one. 0.3 and 0.42. Now এটা তোমরা নিজেরা করার চেষ্টা করো। এটা একটু দেখতে complicated, but it is not. I'll do it for you all. Example 9. Do it on your own, please. Okay, so let me do this for you guys. What's happening over here is that, again, I'm saying whenever you do this kind of sums, always draw a Venn diagram. So let me take a screenshot of this. Okay, so what do we have? We have PA, PB, and this thing B union A. So I give you guys a formula, is that probability of A intersection B, okay, probability of A intersection B is equal to PA, that is 3 by 10, plus PB, that is 2 by 5, minus half. Do this in your calculator because I'm doing A part. In A part, they said probability of B slash A, so that equals probability of A divided by, sorry, A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B, probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B. ঠিক আছে? So now what is happening over here? Just check. We need A intersection B. I have PV with me. I need A intersection B. That A intersection B I'm finding. Okay. So probability of A intersection B is 3 by 10 plus 2 by 5. 3 by 10 plus 2 by 5. Okay. Minus 0.5. 0.2. I'm getting 0.2 as A intersection B. Let me try again, by the way. 3 by 10. Okay, plus 2 by 5 plus, sorry, minus 0.5. It's coming 0.2. So আমার এখন A part answer B slash A na, probability of B slash A is equal to A intersection B, that is 0.2 divided by PB. PB is 2 by 5. Put this in your calculator and check how much you guys are getting. 0.2 divided by 2 by 5. ঠিক আছে? That is 0.5 as the answer. বুঝছো সবাই? 0.5 হচ্ছে answer. First part, A part answer. Now B part. But before doing B part, I can draw a Venn diagram. And how is the Venn diagram helping me? I'll let you guys know. This is your A part, this is your B part, A and B. What was A intersection B? 0.2. What is A, by the way? A is 3 by 10, 0.3. So A হবে 0.1. B হচ্ছে 2 by 5. How much is 2 by 5? 2 by 5 is 0.4. This is going to be 0.2. 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.5. Outside হবে 0.5 because the total probability is always 1. With the help of this, we can find B slash A complement as well. B slash A complement. So probability of B intersection A complement divided by probability of A complement. Okay? Now, for this, I think the shading is necessary. First of all, let's talk about this intersection thing. Shading the করে নি আমি। একটা হচ্ছে A, একটা হচ্ছে B. A and B. So, this is your A. ওরা বলতেছে না, sorry. They're saying B intersection A complement. So, প্রথমে B mark করতে হবে আমাকে। So, mark B. Then intersection A complement. A complement means যেখানে যেখানে বাইরে বাইরে mark করব ওটা A ছাড়া। You can see that the only place where both the lines, because they said intersection na, both the lines are crossing is this part. both the lines are crossing. And how much is that? 0.2. So আমি এখানে নিব 0.2. And how much is PA complement? PA complement হচ্ছে 1 minus PA, that is 0.3. Put this in your calculator. 0.2 divided by 1 minus 0.3. কত? 2 by 7. 0.23. I'm getting answer as 2 by 7. Not an issue. Let's see the mark. Sorry. Let's see the answers from our textbook. Is this correct or not? 2 by 3. They got 1 by 5. Okay. Did I make any wrong in the probability? 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Yeah, same. Correct. 1 by 5 is what? 0.2. I have everything correct. You got 2 by 7 and 1 by 5. Something is wrong over here. PB intersection A complement. Okay, sorry. Last answer is 2 by 7. Yes, last answer is 2 by 7. Now comes the hardest of them all. This part. PA multiplied by P dash A. B dash A already you found. Multiplied by PA. No problem. What was the B dash A we got? B dash A 0.5. We are doing now C part. 0.5 multiplied by A. How much is A? A is 0.3 plus probability of A is 0.3 plus PA complement. PA complement is 1 minus 0.3. A complement is 1 minus 0.3. That is going to be 0.7 multiplied by B dash A complement. B dash A complement I mean paisi koto 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Do this in your calculator and get the answer. Online shobai. Is this part clear or not with everyone? Is this part clear with everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear.
Okay, now let's go to the next one. Next question. B part এটা হয়ে গেছে আমাদের. Now we will do tree diagram. Okay, let's do this tree diagram concept over here. Okay, they said the turnout of spectators at a motor rally, okay, is dependent upon the weather. On a rainy day, the probability of big turnout is 0.4. Okay, the probability of big turnout is 0.4. But if it does not rain, the probability of big turnout increases to 0.9 if it does not rain. The weather forecast gives probability of 0.75 that it will rain on the day of the race. Okay, draw a tree diagram. Acha, era bolteche on a rainy day the probability of big turnout is 0.4. So if it is a rainy day, probability of big turnout is 0.4 and probability of not big turnout is 0.6. But if it is not a rainy day, probability of big turnout is 0.9 and no turnout is 0.1. ঠিক আছে? ওরা বলতেছে the weather forecast gives the probability of 0.75 that it is going to rain that day. Okay, so what is the probability of raining? 0.75. And what is the probability of not raining? 0.75 minus 1. How much is that? 1 minus 0.75. 0.25. সবাই ট্রি ডায়াগ্রামটা বুঝছো কিনা বলো ও লেভেল থেকে। You guys should know your O level thoroughly for this. সবাই বুঝছো কিনা বলো।
ওটা আরেকবার বুঝো।
Okay, you read the question again. ওরা বলছে if it rains, the probability of big turnout is 0.4. So what will happen if it is not raining? If it is not raining, the probability of big turnout is 0.9. So আমি দুইটা ডিভিশন করছি first tree diagram. Rain, big turnout, not big turnout. Because everything depends on rain. Rain is the initial one. Rain পড়ার পরই সব ডিভিশনটা হচ্ছে। And second thing is no rain. That is R dash. R dash means no rain. আর টপের মধ্যে আমি যে ড্যাশটা দিছি। So no rain, a big turnout and not big turnout. Now just check how much is it. নিজেই দেখো এটা পারছো কিনা। সবাই কি বুঝছে এটা? Guys,
এই ব্রো 0.2 টা করতে কাটছে
0.25 হবে যে, I forgot to write that. 0.25 total 1. Total 1 na probability, you guys know that.
ও ওকে ওকে এখন বুঝছি পুরোটা বুঝছি
Okay, now they are saying that there is a big turnout and it rains. Find the probability that big turnout hoise and rain o hoise. So probability of big turnout and rain is going to be, for B part, probability of big turnout and rain 0.4 multiplied by 0.75. 0.4 multiplied by 0.75. 0.3. Then what they're saying that there is a big turnout. Money big turnout hobe, no matter what. Rain holeo big turnout hobe. That's what it means. Era kono kichu specify kore nai. Money rain holeo big turnout hobe. So which is 0.75 multiplied by 0.4, or rain na holeo big turnout hobe. বুঝে গেছো? This is C part.
বুঝছি
সবাই বুঝছে? এখানে শুধু লিখছে big turnout. মানে কি রেন হলে বিগ টার্ন আউট, রেন না হলেও বিগ টার্ন আউট। সবাই কি বুঝছে? এভরিওয়ান আন্ডারস্টুড? গাইস, সাইমন, এভরিওয়ান?
হ্যাঁ বুঝছি।
Okay, now let's go to the next concept. Okay, okay, try doing this on your own. I'll pause the recording. Okay, so we were doing this sum, so let's start doing this sum now. Here a slash b is given to me, given that b probability of a, given that b complement probability of a, all these things is given to me. Now they want a intersection b formed. Okay, to find a intersection b, I have this, check. So can I do probability of a slash b is equal to probability of a intersection b, which I want over here, divided by pb, which is given to me as well. So a slash b is what? 0.1 is equal to p a intersection b is given to me as, it's not given to me, divided by pb. How much is pb? 0.3. So 0.3 multiplied by 0.1, first part. 0.3 multiplied by 0.1, how much is it? 0.03. Okay, so this is a part answer. 0.03, what is it? A intersection b. Probability of a intersection b is 0.03. Now let's go to the b part. P a intersection b complement. Now what does that mean? Probability of a intersection b complement. Acha, do I know how much a is, by the way? I don't know how much is a. They just told me to find this. Okay, let's see. If I can draw a Venn diagram, let me just check if I can draw a Venn diagram. Okay, if I can draw a Venn diagram. So a and b is there. A is there, sorry. If I have an a, I have an a and I have an b. ঠিক আছে? B is 0.3 if I'm not wrong. B is 0.3, but intersection is 0.03. So this is 0.03, this is 0.3, but nothing else is given to me as well. But they give me a slash b. এটা আমাকে দিছে a slash b complement দিছে, but I don't have anything to draw Venn diagram because I don't know how much a is. A কত আমি জানি না. So let's see what was given to me over here. P a slash b complement is equal to p a intersection b complement divided by because they want this from me na, a intersection b complement, so p a dash b complement, which is given to me here as well. Okay, and a intersection b complement, okay, given to me here as well, divided by p b complement. ঠিক আছে? Now a slash b complement কত? 0.6. P A intersection B complement কত জানি না, but what is B complement? 1 minus 0.3, 1 minus 0.3, that is 0.7. So 0.7 multiplied by 0.06, 0.7 multiplied by 0.06. So your answer টা হয়ে গেছে কত? 0.042. So your answer is probability of A intersection B complement is 0.02. মনে রাখো এটা। So 0.042. Okay. Now, what is this A intersection B complement? Now let's find, because আমি A জানি না, I don't know what A is না. So what is this A intersection B complement? Let's shade of rough work আমরা shade করি. You have A and you have B. So A intersection B complement, প্রথমে A বলছে, so I will shade A first. Okay, then they said B complement, everything except B I'm going to shade. B ধরবো না, everything except B I'm going to shade over here. আর intersection মানে হচ্ছে this part, যেখানে দুটো লাইন ক্রস হয়েছে, this is the part. So this part is 0.042, so this is 0.042. ঠিক আছে, Venn diagram draw হয়ে গেছে আমার। 0.042 plus 0.03 plus 0.3. Okay, 1 minus the answer. বাইরে হবে 0.628 if I'm not wrong. বাইরে হবে 0.628. চেক করি তো ওরা কোনো Venn diagram draw করছে কিনা to show us this. 0.42. I got 0.042. You can say, okay, something is wrong. This should be 0.42 then. Here it is 0.42. This is 0.42 as well. Made that mistake. সবাই কি বুঝছে? অনলাইন সবাই বুঝছো আমি কি করছি এখানে? 0.42 plus 0.03 plus 0.3. 0.75 হয়ে গেছে। বাইরে 0.75 পাচ্ছে, ওরা পাইছে? বাইরে 0.75 দেয় না অ্যাকচুয়ালি, সবগুলো অ্যাড করে ওরা এটাকে 0.27 পাইছে। How is that possible? I made a mistake over here then. B should be 0.3 minus 0.03. 0.3 minus 0.03. B should be, how much is it? 0.27. This is 0.27. Okay, so how much will this be? I made a lot of mistake over here. Add all of them. 0.42 plus 0.03 plus 0.27. কত? 0.72. Okay, 1 minus the answer. হবে 0.28. বাইরে হবে 0.28. বলো। হ্যালো, বলো। অনলাইন
0.4 কেমনে পাইছে আবার বুঝাবে?
0.42 কেমনে পাইছি? ওরা আমার থেকে PA intersection B খুঁজতেছে, তো আর ওরা আমাকে এটাও দিছে PA/B complement. সো আমি PA/B complement এর ফর্মুলা লিখছি, which is কি PA intersection B complement divided by PB complement. এটা আমাকে ফাইন্ড করতে হবে। This was given to me, this is I know as well. 1 minus 0.3 এটা হবে। So 0.7 multiplied by 0.6 multiply করছি, বুঝছো?
হ্যাঁ।
ওকে, বাকিরা সবাই বুঝছে অনলাইন? Okay, so this is done. Then I have to find B/A. B/A এটা কিভাবে করবে? D part. Probability of B/A কি করতে হবে? Probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. So what is B intersection A? 0.03. Okay, what is A? A will be total of 0.42 plus 0.03. কত? 0.45. So this is going to be divided by 0.45. 0.03 divided by 0.45, that is going to be 1/15. ঠিক আছে, এটা আনসার চেক করি। D part, yes, 0.06, correct. Then D part হয়ে গেছে, let's go with E part. E part এ বলছে B/A complement. Okay, probability of B/A complement হবে probability of B intersection A complement divided by probability of A complement. Now, what is B intersection A complement? Let me draw another shading. Shading. So let me draw a rough sketch of small this thing, A and B. So I will say B intersection A complement. This is A and this is B. B intersection A, B, prathame B. Then intersection A complement. A chara shob. B intersection A complement is this part. How much is it? 0.27. Okay? 0.27. And what is A complement? 1 minus A. How much is A? A is 0.42 plus 0.03. Okay. Then answer kato? 0.45. Kintu 1 minus 0.45 asta hobe ekhane. Because it is A complement. So 0.27 divided by 1 minus 0.45. So 3 by 5, it is 0.6. Shoy butse online? Step by step. Shop gulu, shading kore kore. Venn diagram is very important. And Venn diagram is সবচেয়ে বেশি starting এর মধ্যে সবচেয়ে বেশি ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে কমনটা। কমনটা যদি না থাকে it gets a bit complicated. তোমরা সবাই এটা বুঝছো কিনা বলো? অনলাইন কনসেপ্ট। Everyone understood?
বুঝছি।
জি ভাই।
Okay. All the points?
Yes.
Nadir, all the points.
Yeah, understood, bro.
Okay. Okay, chalo. Let's go to the next one. Acha, etake diagram diye draw kora jay. We are not learning the tree diagram part. I'm sticking to only one concept. Now let's do example number 12 over here. Okay. Most probably by next class, the whole probability teaching part is going to get over. Okay. A bag contains 7 green beads, 5 blue beads. 7 green, 5 blue. 7 plus 5 karo 12. A bead is taken from the bag at random. The color is recorded and it is not replaced. It is not replaced. The second bead is taken from the bag and its color is recorded. Find the probability that one bead is green and another bead is blue. Okay. Now, first green nibe, blue nibe. So let's say green, sorry, this is green and this is blue. What is the probability of getting green? Probability of getting green is 7 by 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 by 12. Probability of getting a blue is 5 by 12. প্রথমটাতে green পাইলে সেকেন্ডটা রিপ্লেস হচ্ছে না। Remember that. Second, this is the first try. এটা এটা first try. এটা হচ্ছে second try. Okay, so green যদি green হয়, this green এর মধ্যে একটা কমে যাবে। What is going to be? 6 divided by 11. আর কিন্তু ব্লু তো আগের মতই থাকবে। So 5 divided by 11. Same thing with the blue thing. যদি ব্লু চলে যায় 4 divided by 11 and 6 divided by 4 na. 4 divided by 11 and 6 divided by 11. No. 7 5 na. 5 থেকে একটা minus 5 হতো না? Okay, 7 my bad. 7 divided by 11. Clear? যদি green পাই। ঠিক আছে? All of you saw how to draw this thing tree diagram?
Yes.
Okay, next, probability that one green, they did not say first one is green or second one is green, they did not say that, they said one should be green. Okay, so it can be 7/12, first one is green, second one is blue, or mani ki plus, okay, first one is blue and second one is green. সবাই ক্লিয়ার আছে এটাতে? এটা হবে তোমার আনসার। এগুলো ও লেভেলের অনেক কনসেপ্ট আছে এখানে, দিস ইজ ভেরি ইজি টু ডু। বুঝছো সবাই ট্রি ডায়াগ্রামটা কিভাবে করছে?
বুঝছি।
ওকে, চলো next is mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means when there is nothing common between the two events. এটাকে বলা হয় mutually exclusive. Like remember this formula we did? Yeah, remember this formula we did that time? Okay, in this one, since there is no common, instead of A intersection B, we write 0 here. So A union B is PA plus PB. That is your formula for mutually exclusive. That formula we learned just before, a few moments back. In place of, since it is mutually exclusive, that means there is nothing common between them, we are going to write it like this. Eta shobai bujhche? So this mutually exclusive means তোমার কাছে কোনো কমনই নাই. That's what mutually exclusive means. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. When one event has no effect on the other, they are independent. Okay, let's talk about now independent events. When one of them does not have any effect on the other, we call it independent events. The formula for independent events is this, that A intersection B is equal to PA into PB. Okay, two formulas we learned. PA union B is equal to PA plus PB, and PA intersection B is equal to PA multiplied by PB. Okay, so দুইটা ইভেন্টের ব্যাপারে শিখছি আমরা, একটা হচ্ছে ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট, একটা হচ্ছে মিউচুয়ালি এক্সক্লুসিভ. Mutually exclusive means there is nothing common between them. Okay, so now we will do this. After that, I'll call it a day, and most probably I'll give you guys homework. Okay. This one we're not going to do, that's for sure. Next class, most probably I'll be taking. Last time which class? Which time did I give this thing? It was Sunday. Did this mami? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or free now. I think Tuesday 4 to 6 most probably. I can give you Tuesday 4 to 6 next class. Chalo. Let me do this sum. Okay, so they gave you PA and PB. They told you they are mutually exclusive. So PA PB means you have A and you have B, but there is no connection between them. There is no common between them. PA is 0.2, PB is 0.4. Okay, union B is going to be 0.2 plus 0.4. That is going to be 0.6. Clear? Online? Nothing exclusive between them, na? Guys, what's up?
Yeah, বুঝছি।
Okay. Now, then they said A intersection B complement. So what do you do? আমি এটাকে শেডিং করব। A প্রথমে A মার্ক করো, তারপর বলছে B complement, মানে B ছাড়া সবকিছু মার্ক করো। The only point which I get is 0.2. এটার आंसर 0.2 হবে। ঠিক আছে? সবাই বুঝছে এটা? B part? Hello. What's up, B part?
Yes.
Okay, then এরা বলতেছে এটা। Okay, এটাও মার্ক করো, A complement intersection B complement. These are A, these are B. A and B. A complement মানে A ছাড়া সবকিছু মার্ক করো। Then they say B complement. B ছাড়া সবকিছু মার্ক করো। they said intersection মানে বাইরে এটার বাইরে যারা যারা আছে বাইরে আছে 0.4 if I'm not wrong because 0.4 0.2 0.4 is 1 তো শুধু বাইরের গুলোই ডাবল ক্রস হইছে তো 0.4 should be your answer. Let me check the mark scheme. 0.6 0.2 0.4 perfect. Okay, so till here it is enough. You guys, okay, please write homework for this thing. Revise example 14. Revise example 14 if you and ignore example 15. Again, I'm saying revise example 14, ignore example 15, and revise example 16 and come for me. Example 14 and 16 for me. Example revise. Okay. Next class I'll be teaching them to you. Let me see how much is left. We are almost there. We are almost there. Okay then. Tata everyone.